In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a video on Kapwing. Whether you're trying to condense a long clip, create a time-lapse effect, or simply want to add a bit of zest to your video, speeding up your footage can make a big difference. Let's dive into the process step by step, and I'll guide you through it. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to kapwing.com. This is a user-friendly platform that offers a variety of video editing tools. Once you're on the website, look for the Create New button, which is usually located on the home page. Click it to begin creating your project. Kapwing makes it very simple to start from scratch, so even if you're a beginner, you'll find this process straightforward. Now that you've started a new project, it's time to upload your media. Look for the Upload button, which will prompt you to add your video file. You can drag and drop your media file or click to browse for the file on your computer. Once your video is uploaded, it will appear on the timeline, a central area where you can see all the elements of your video project. Next, click on your video clip within the timeline to select it. This action will bring up additional options on the right side of the screen, which we'll use to modify the speed. The timeline is where you do most of the editing work, and selecting this ensures you're making changes to the correct video clip. Now, direct your attention to the right panel, where you'll find the speed option. This feature allows you to adjust how fast or slow your video plays. You can make fine adjustments using the slider or choose from preset speeds like 1.5x or 2x if you want to double the speed. These presets offer quick solutions, but if you have a specific speed in mind, feel free to adjust the slider manually. Once you've chosen your desired speed, it's always a good idea to preview the changes. Hit the play button located on the preview window to see how your sped-up video looks. This step is crucial to ensure that the pacing matches your expectations and that the story you're trying to convey still comes across effectively. After you're satisfied with the preview and any needed adjustments have been made, the final step is to save your work. Click on Export Project at the top right corner. This will process your video with the new speed setting. After the export is complete, you can download the final product to your device. And there you have it, a quicker, snappier video, perfect for whatever platform or purpose you have in mind. Kapwing makes this process accessible and efficient, and with practice, you'll be editing videos like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful for your video editing journey.